Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today, I'll be showing you how to use the bar replay tool on TradingView mobile app. First, open the TradingView app on your device. If you don't have an account yet, sign up, otherwise, log in. Next, tap the chart icon and then select the three horizontal lines on your screen. From there, click on the bar replay option. To use the bar replay tool, choose it from the menu and place it anywhere on the chart where you want the replay to start. Once placed, you'll see a speed option like 0.3x, which allows you to adjust the replay speed. You can select any speed you like, such as 0.5x, 1x, or faster. After choosing your preferred speed, tap the play button to start the replay. Keep in mind, if you're using a free account, some features may be limited. With a premium account, however, you can use the bar replay tool fully without any restrictions. And that's it. This is how you access and use the bar replay tool on the TradingView mobile app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.